there everybody, and welcome back to Ava's Toys and Learning and Ava's Adventures. Today we're going to be playing with the 3-in-1 digital shape pairing toy by Afufu. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. Oh wow, so many colorful things. And let's open it up. So this looks like a bag, so you can put everything inside afterwards. There's some kind of wooden shapes. Then there's plastic circles with a bunch of different colors. Let's put that next to the wood. And this is the main board here. Let's go ahead and open up the plastic. Oh wow, look at this. We've got a whole bunch of shapes and a whole bunch of numbers. I think we're supposed to dump all these out. Let's go ahead and get this toy ready to play with. Alright, so I've gone ahead and put all of the numbers into this bag. Let's start with number 1. Number 2, and they're both purple. Then comes number 3, which is orange. Then we have number 4, which is blue. After that comes number 5, and this is a darker blue. After 5 comes 6. That's a light green. Then we have number 7, which is a dark green. Number 8, which is yellow. Number 9, which is orange. And then we have number 10, which is red. Alright, we've got all the numbers in the spot that they belong. Let's go ahead and flip it and do the shapes. The first shape is a square. Let's try to find the square. Ah, there it is. The square is purple. The next shape is the triangle, which is also purple, but a lighter purple. Then we have a pentagon, and the pentagon shape is orange. We have next a star. That's my favorite shape, and the star is blue. Then the next shape is a trapezoid. The trapezoid is a darker blue. Then we have a green circle, and that goes right here. This next shape, the Hanagata, is green. Then we have a heart, and the heart is yellow, and that goes right over here. The next shape is going to be a rectangle, and a rectangle is kind of like a square, but a little bit longer on 2 sides. And this is orange in color, and it goes right over here. Our last shape is an oval, and the oval is colored red. And it goes right here in the last spot. Alright, we've got all of our shapes in the right place and all of our numbers in the right place. What's next? Let's see if we can make use out of these wooden sticks. Alright, let's go ahead and dump these wooden sticks out. They seem to be in different lengths. Some are longer and some are shorter. And then let's go ahead and dump out all of the colored circles. Wow, there's so many. Maybe we could arrange the sticks from shortest to longest and place them in here. Okay, let's go ahead and start. I think that's the first one. Then let's see which one's shorter and which one's longer. I think this one's the shortest. Okay, and then the next one. This one's shorter than this one. This one's definitely shorter than this one, so it goes next. Let's check this one. Yep, this one's definitely shorter than this one, so that one goes next too. And then I think this one, then this one, and then the next. We're almost there. Alright, we did it! And this gradually gets taller and taller and taller. Or shorter and shorter and shorter. Why don't we go ahead and try to match up some of the colors for the shapes. The first one is purple. The next one is also purple. So So it gets another purple ring. Then we have orange, blue, then a darker blue, and then we have green, which there's a light green, and then we have another green, which is a dark green. Next is the yellow heart. Then we have another orange. And last but not least, we have a red oval. So let's go ahead and put our last color there. Awesome. Now let's go ahead and put one of these rings to represent each number. One ring here. The color doesn't matter because we're just counting. So number 2 gets 1, 2. Number 3 gets 1, 2, and 3. Number 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next is 5. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then we have 7, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then we have 8, which goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Next is 9. So we can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And then last but not least is 10. Let's go ahead and use the remaining circles to put on. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Wow, we did it. It's all complete. It was so much fun. Now let's go ahead and put everything away so that way next time when we want to play with this, everything's all in the bag. Let's go ahead and clean up now.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock.
All right, we've got everything in the bag. Let's go ahead and close it up. All right, everything's put away now. Thank you so much for joining me today on Ava's Toys and Learning and Ava's Adventure. And that was the 3-in-1 digital shape pairing toy. That was so much fun, and I hope to see you guys come again anytime you'd like. Bye.